All right, this is a 2012 Robinson R66, 381 hours on it. Certification date is March 14th, 2012. Volcano red metallic, medium gold metallic trim, lithium gray interior, of course air conditioned, tinted windows, vertical compass, 9-hole panel, artificial horizon, directional gyro. It's got upper bay is the king. It's got pilot's avionics console, we'll look at in a second. ELT, it's also got ADSB in and out and the Avidyne traffic system. All right, from the inside of November 4 Romeo Hotel, you can see the 9-hole panel, the Garmin 530, also has the Garmin 696 portable. It's hardwired in. Interfaced for four Bose headsets. Does not have the headsets. It's of course air conditioned, and it does have the utility console in the back. And any questions, please call us at 941-355-1259. Bill Cooper, Florida Central Coast Helicopters. Thank you.